Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Clown Town. I'm your host, Alfredo. As always, we're just keeping on. So first of all, I have an update. About the the Karaoke app is now on GitHub, so you can check it out anytime you want. And it's here. It has been deployed on Kubernetes. So earlier today, I found out that my Kubernetes client certificates had expired. And my understanding is that they expire once every 90 days, which means that we actually had 90 plus days of uninterrupted uptime. Well, we had some issues with electricity and with internet access, of course. However, that means that the machines never actually needed to restart, because if you were to restart K3s on the machines, that automatically renews the client certificates. So like DJ Khaled, I was suffering from success. But anyway, so check it out. So it's here, deploy on Kubernetes. That's the logs, and it works exactly the same as it did yesterday. So we have this. And we have this, right? Like all of this stuff. So let's say that we have karaoke. So let's say that Panchito comes in, and Panchito now can make requests. Let's say that I want to log in as an admin, and I set up a secret name that I can use when I come to karaoke.local, and I use Alfredo. And yeah, I know that's the Garfield font. I still thought that it was fun, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Okay, so that's what people see on their phones. This is what you see here, and then the TV interface. Et voila. So all of this is responsive, and it looks kind of flashy, kind of cool. So live on Mars, David Bowie, and immediately both the admin and both the TV interface will display that Panchito is up, because he's the very first person who submitted a song. Let's say that we have someone else. Let's say that we have. I love virtual hosts, by the way. Ever since I discovered how to really use them, I don't use anything else for local deployments. Okay, so let's say that besides Panchito, we also have Alfredo in the party. Alfredo wants to sing, I don't know. So he wants to sing that. So next, immediately, once the second person submitted, he goes up in the queue, right? So now this has rank down, rank up, right? So let's say, oh, okay, this gets priority. There we go. No, this gets priority. There we go. Oh, you know what? This guy cannot sing. So that works. And again, if you notice, there's like a kind of fun background effect. So all of this is deployed on Kubernetes, running completely locally, and I'm very proud of that. I will actually love to run a business off of this. I still need to solve the catalog part of it, because you will need to, you know, you will need to have a wide catalog karaoke songs, display them here, and allow people to click them to like queue them, right? And then maybe like displaying them here with chroma key or something. So I don't think I'm gonna do that, because, you know, I don't really like how do you ethically source songs? So people like Carafon and all that, so they have agreements with the disc with the firms, so they can legally run a business off of that. But I don't really have that. And if you notice, it says come join us by logging into karaoke.local. So if I were to run a business off of this, I will probably pay for the fucking BPS, for the $5 BPS. And yeah, so pretty cool, right?